In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your SoFi bank account to Cash App and add money from it. To get started, open a new tab in your web browser and go to cash.app. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're on the official Cash App website before entering any login information. If you're doing this on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to log out when you're finished for extra security. After you're signed in, look for your account profile options. This is where Cash App keeps your personal settings and payment-related account details. Click into that area, then choose Linked Banks. This section is where you can connect an external bank account so that Cash App can move money between your bank and your Cash App balance. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the bank linking option, since that's the part that allows transfers to work properly. Next, you'll need your SoFi routing number and account number. To find them, go to SoFi.com and locate the banking details for your account. Be sure to use your unique routing and account numbers exactly as shown. These numbers identify your specific account, so even a small typo can cause the connection to fail or link the wrong information. It's best to carefully enter the details rather than rushing through this step. Once entered, follow the prompts in Cash App to save or confirm the linked bank account. After your SoFi account has been linked successfully, go back into Cash App and select Add Cash. This is the feature that lets you pull money into your Cash App balance from the bank account you just connected. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then review the details before confirming. Double check that your newly linked SoFi account is the funding source, especially if you already have other bank accounts or cards connected to Cash App. Once you confirm the transfer, Cash App will begin pulling the money from your SoFi balance. Depending on your account status or Cash App processing times, the funds may appear right away or take a little time to show up. If anything doesn't look right, go back and review the linked bank details to make sure everything was entered correctly. And that's it. That's how to link your SoFi bank account to Cash App and add money from it safely and correctly.